A machine refers to a device assembled from parts and components that can be operated to replace human labor, transform energy, or generate useful work. The machine generally consists of a power part, a transmission part, an execution part, and a control part. From an energy perspective, a machine is a device that uses or converts mechanical energy. It is a prime mover that converts other forms of energy into mechanical energy, such as internal combustion engines, steam engines, electric motors, etc., and a working machine that uses mechanical energy to complete useful work, such as various machine tools, cranes, compressors, etc. With the development of science and technology, the concept of machinery is constantly updated and changed. There are many types of machinery, which can be divided into various categories, according to several different aspects, such as, according to function, it can be divided into power machinery, material handling machinery, crushing machinery, etc. According to the service industry, it can be divided into agricultural machinery, mining machinery, textile machinery, etc. According to the working principle, it can be divided into thermal machinery, fluid machinery, bionic machinery, etc. The big blue barrel crusher is what we often call the double shaft crusher or double shaft shredder. It is used for the crushing of medium and large hollow barrels, such as plastic barrels, chemical barrels, blue barrels, IBC barrels, and metal barrels. The scope of application is widely used in the crushing of plastic barrels, chemical barrels, large blue barrels, hollow barrels, woven bags, films, etc., and other materials such as waste tires, rubber, metal, car shells, paint barrels, refrigerators, scrap iron, etc. Deal with. Modular design is adopted, which can be freely combined and adjusted according to the different requirements of users, and realizes the automation of production and the convenience of maintenance through the intelligent control system. This series of equipment is equipment for the recycling and utilization of solid waste resources, which is widely used in industries such as solid waste resource recycling and utilization. Wisdom environmental protection tells you that Wisdom equipment can not only meet your big blue barrel crushing needs, but also provide you with suitable plastic barrel crushing and solutions based on on-site needs in terms of quality, performance, and service to better meet user needs. The multifunctional shredder can shred hard to shred large blocks, baskets, pipes, plates, wood, tires, scrap metal barrels, and large rolls of film. The combined structure of the extra thick plate, precision processing frame, large angle hexagonal column, the powerful rotating shaft of the large diameter, is firmly put into the hopper, so you can safely put in large materials. This equipment is mainly used for the crushing of all kinds of board scraps, waste board, packaging, logs, and other wood. All kinds of large bags in bags, sack breaking, household garbage bag breaking machine, waste home appliances, TV, washing machine, refrigerator shell, pipes, large pipes, pipe fitting, PE pipes, waste templates, wooden pallets, plastic pallets, forklift pallets, used tires, car tires, truck tires, scrap metal, car shells, aluminum alloys, scrap cast aluminum parts, engine shells, lead, and steel plates with a thickness of less than 5 mm. Food waste, domestic waste, animal carcasses, RDF derivatives, medical waste, biological orange rot, garden waste, plastic materials, paper mill rolls. The plastic crusher has the following advantages. 1. The blade of the machine is an intermeshing blade made of high alloy, which has a good crusher effect on any high hardness material. R. Driven by T-gear motor, it saves 20% of the electricity compared with other can crushers. 3. The machine starts smoothly without too much noise, and the foundation is installed, so the noise is very low. 4. Broken confidential cloth stiffeners to ensure the robustness of the box. 5. Conveyor belt feeding equipment can be configured. 6. The frame plate is thick, can resist high torque, and is very strong. 7. The equipment has the characteristics of low speed, large torque and low noise. 8. The thickness of the cutter and the number of claws can be changed according to different materials of customers. 9. The quality of the equipment is guaranteed, easy to adjust, very low maintenance, economical and durable. 10. It adopts microcomputer, PLC, automatic control, with start, stop, reverse, and overload automatic, reverse control functions. The main body of the crusher equipment adopt made of special alloy tool steel, forging blank processing, multiple heat treatment, and low temperature freezing heat treatment technology. The overall toughness and hardness can be repeatedly repaired to ensure the cutting performance and service life. The fixed knife adopts the patented hook-type installation to optimize the tool replacement function, making the maintenance and replacement of the tool very convenient. The bearing seat adopts a patented split and disassemble type, which can quickly dismantle moving knife, fixed knife, bearing and other parts, easy to maintain and replace the knife. The sealing structure effectively prevents the contact between broken objects and grease, and the liquid material can also protect the bearing and gear weight. The cutter shaft is processed and refined with high strength and heavy-duty special steel, which is more reasonable with the cutter to provide powerful power for cutting. The working principle is that the double shaft shredder adopts double shaft independent drive, so that the material will be pressed correspondingly during production to achieve the automatic feeding function. The unique cutter, shaft structure, and rotary cutter can produce at low speed and high torque. During the process, there will be no winding shafts or jamming of the equipment, thereby improving the production efficiency. The equipment is suitable for crushing various materials with high toughness and viscosity. The shredder is a kind of solid waste volume reduction machinery, environmentally friendly shredder equipment, used to shred high-density polyethylene, HDPE plastic products and materials, which is conducive to plastic recycling and reuse of plastic particles. For example, mineral water bottles, PET bottles, oil bottles, gasoline bottles, plastic barrels, plastic soft films, etc. The plastic shredder is composed of a shredding mechanism, a support, a recycling box and a cart. The size of the equipment is determined by the size of the material and the amount of material handled. The inside of the plastic shredder is designed with a filter screen device. When the plastic shredder is working normally, the filter screen plays a role of separating materials and liquids, effectively recycling the liquid remaining on the bottle. Features of the multifunctional plastic crusher. This machine is suitable for crushing and recycling soft plastics. The uniquely designed scissor-type tool holder structure for film crushing is more conducive to improving work efficiency. The plastic film is directly fed into the crusher, and the main shaft is driven by the motor drive reducer. The whole bundle of plastic film is shredded by the immovable knife installed on the main shaft, and the fixed knife installed on the frame, and the plastic film is separated through the water tank. Separate from sundries, stones, sundries, etc. to reach raw materials that can be recycled. The plastic film crusher adopts two-axis independent drive, so that the material will be pressed accordingly when it is working, and achieve the automatic feeding function. The unique cutter, shaft structure, and four-corner rotary cutter. In the low-speed and high-torque working process, there will be no winding shafts or jamming of the equipment, thereby improving efficiency. This equipment is suitable for crushers of various materials, with high toughness and viscosity. Plastic shredder can also be called plastic shredder or plastic crusher. It is a kind of plastic machinery for rough shredding and processing of plastic. It is one of the front-end equipment for waste plastic recycling. It can be cut, squeezed, shredded and other processes for various plastics, and then small pieces of plastic are produced for later processing, so it is also called a shear plastic.